Hey everyone, how's it going? This is an Exness versus Delta Exchange video, and in this tutorial we'll go over some of the features which will make it clear to you which one you should go for. Now for Exness, as you can see, the primary focus is on forex, stocks, indices, commodities and cryptocurrencies, things like that. And for Delta Exchange, its main focus is on cryptocurrency, which also supports futures, options and spot trading. So next up, trading platform, Exness supports MT4, 5 and Exness terminal, while Delta Exchange it only supports proprietary platforms. So if you need MT45, then obviously Exness is the way to go. Next up, leverage, you have 1 to unlimited for some accounts, and for Delta Exchange you have up to 100% leverage for crypto trading. Fees are low spreads on Exness and transaction based on Delta Exchange. Regulation, it's regulated in multiple jurisdictions, which is Exness, and for Delta Exchange it is pretty much limited. Customer support, you can check that there is 24/7 support on Exness, and Delta Exchange has like email ticket support, things like that, and many other things. You can see that the deposit methods, there is multiple options on Exness, bank transfer, cards, e-wallets, and Delta Exchange only has crypto focused. Now, which one you should truly go for? Clearly, if your focus is forex, stocks, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or gold, things like that, and you need to use MT4, MT5, then Exness is the way to go. But let's say you need futures, you need options, you need spot trading, you need more cryptocurrency variations. In that case, obviously, Delta Exchange is the way to go. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.